Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Okay guys, today we're going to be making cucumber drink using cucumber, mint and lemon. You could use lime if that's what you have. We're also going to be adding water and honey. You could skip the honey if you want, or you could use it. It's just for a little sweetness and energy. In this cup I have flaxseed inside. I blended flaxseed in it, and I don't want to wash it out, so I wanted to use it like that. So right now I washed my cucumber and I'm peeling the skin. The skin has a little bit of carb, but it doesn't really matter. If you want, you can blend with the skin. Sometimes I do that, but in this time I just want to remove the skin. Since I'm on a 10-day green smoothie challenge, I want to do it like kind of the right way to really yield a good result for me. So you see, I've peeled the cucumber, chop off the bottom and the top part of it, and now I'm going to be slicing it open, and I'm going to be seeding the cucumber. When I say seeding, I mean removing the seeds inside. You could leave it. It's just that because this is the only thing I'm drinking, in case I drink it late at night, I don't want it to disturb my stomach in terms of digestion. Some people react to the seed, so I just want to remove it, and then blend it that way. Okay, so it's not like it's really bad, but for me, sometimes I kind of have indigestion after drinking that late while I blended it with the seed in it. So that's just all I'm doing here. I'm just seeding it out. Okay, so now I'm chopping it into small sizes to help my blender. Though if I kind of don't chop it or just cut it into half, it will still blend, but I want to help the blender so it doesn't overwork itself. So cutting it this way helps a lot. Okay guys, fresh cucumbers are fantastic to snack on. I mean, you can take this anytime. In case you have like a issue with blood pressure, cucumber will help you to kind of lower it if it's too high, or if it's too low, kind of help to regulate it. So far I'm talking out of experience because my mom seems to be using this to help her blood pressure to regulate. So I cut my lemon and added some mint, and then the water. It depends on the size of your blender. Do as much as you can take. I'm making the one that will be enough for me for both lunch and dinner. So this is me just blending it. If you don't have NutriBullet, just use any blender, because we're still going to save it. So it doesn't really matter the blender you use. I'm just using this NutriBullet because I like to use it for smoothies and for drinks like that. So this is my jar where I'm going to be storing it. I already have some ice in it, because immediately I finish right now, I'm going to drink it. So you see, I'm pouring it through the mesh, the wire mesh, the sieve. I'm pouring it, all I'm doing, just using some spoon to help the liquid to flow. It's a very simple method. It's not really hard. It's really, really simple. And this is light. It is refreshing when you drink this. Though it's winter right now, in the summertime, try it out. Oh my God. You will not want to leave this. I'm telling you, you will want to take it like every day. Sometimes I do like cucumber melon smoothie, like adding watermelon to it. But like I said, I'm on a 10-day green smoothie challenge, so everything is green all the way. So I just repeated the same process so I could finish up the whole cucumber. You could use 2, 3, 4, whatever size of cucumber that you like. The most important thing before you use your cucumber, please thoroughly rinse it in cool water. It's very, very important. And make sure your hands are extremely clean. So here is it. I poured myself a glass, and I'm adding like a teaspoon of lemon, mixing it together. The lemon will also, not lemon, actually honey. The honey is also gonna help me feel like I'm full. That's one thing I notice when I add honey. I don't really use it all the time to my smoothie or to my drink. It helps me feel full for a very, very long time. Let me enjoy. Cheers, guys. That tasted so good, guys. Look at that foam. Look at my stomach, it's coming down. Thank you guys for joining me. Drink this if you want a flat tummy. I'm telling you, it worked for me. It will work for you. See you on the next video. Ciao, ciao. Bye.